What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Hobby Lobby. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Hopefully some good stuff. Let's take a look. Alright, let's see what they have. They have this cool 1995 Ford Escort RS Cosworth. Yeah, so we've seen this one before. I'm still on the fence on picking it up. It's got some cool decals and everything, but I'm gonna set it aside for now. Alright guys, let's see what else they have. Nice. This is a 1967 Mercury Cougar RX-7. Check this out, guys. It's got the Golf livery. Definitely gonna take this one. And what do we have here? We have a cool little shop truck, 1954 Ford T100. This is pretty cool. Taking that one as well. You know me, I love my shop trucks. So here's another one. Gonna shift it over here for now. Oh, check this out, guys. This thing is beautiful. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. This thing is nice, man. Definitely gonna take this one. Let's see, what else do they have over here? This is a 1967 Ford Custom. And this one's representing the Maryland State Police Department. So, let's put that one there. Here's the 1960 Checker Marathon. Nice little taxi cab there. And here we have the 1967 Nissan Patrol with the Texaco decals. Not bad. Check this out, guys. This is a 1965 Lincoln Continental. Pretty cool. Let's see, here's a cool Jeep. Here's a 1979 Volkswagen Rabbit. And here we have some Johnny Lightning cars. These are pretty cool. So here we have the 1967 Chevy Camaro SS and the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. Very cool castings. I'm gonna set them aside for now. As you can see, these are $14.99. I might take them. This is the CJ5 in yellow. Check this out, guys. This is a 1999 Mazda MX-5 in a nice orange color. Check out the racing stripes there. Very nice, a tan interior. Set this aside. Here's another Jeep. Check this out. This is a Johnny Lightning Shooting Star. So pretty cool. And here we have the 1949 Mercury Coupe. So the car's pretty cool, but the paint job or theme, whatever, it's hideous. It looks like a rolling cow or something. And here we have the 2015 Ram 1500. Here's a 1955 Chevrolet Nomad. And there's another one. Here we have the Jada Toys Slug Bug. Here we have the Bilthrone Wagon. So here we have this cool RV. This is the 1972 Condor 3 RV. And here we have this cool 2019 step van. This one's representing the Georgia State Patrol Mobile Command Post. Nice. There's another RV right there. See what they have over here, guys. This is a 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1. Pretty cool. This is a 1991 Dodge Stealth RT. And here we have the 2019 Chevy Silverado LTZ Z71. Check it out. And here's another one. And here we have its counterpart, the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT Sport. Alright guys, so let's see what else they have over here. You have the Aston Martin, 1955 Chevy Nomad, 1965 Pontiac GTO, 1992 Chevy Camaro, and another one. And here we have some majorette. I already have all of these. As a matter of fact, I cracked them open about a week ago or so. Here we have the 1971 Chevrolet Corvette. Let's see, what else do we have? That's a 1939 Chevrolet panel truck. These are cool, I already picked them up. There's another one over there. Let's see. Let me put these guys back, guys. Let's see here. Here's this cool 1999 Acura. It's very cool and everything, but it's 13 bucks. I'm not thinking so. And check this out, guys. This is the 1978 Ford Mustang Cobra 2. Cool casting, but not for 13 bucks. So down here we have some muscle machines. Put these back really quick. Ooh, check this out, guys. The 2019 Granite dump truck, and this is a green machine. Gonna pass on this one. This is nice, guys. Check this out. This is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am and the 1981 Chevrolet C10. And here's a little trailer. And it's got the Rocky 2 theme. Not bad. But I'm gonna pass. And check this out, guys. This is the 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback and the 1967 Ford F100. And it's got the cool little trailer here with the Cars That Made America theme. Not bad. This one's pretty cool as well. This is 1987 Chevrolet M1008 and the SEMO Communications trailer. Nice. Check this out. 1967 Dodge A100 panel van. And here's the 1965 Ford Econoline. And over here, guys, we have cool Racing Champions 1967 Chevy Nova SS. This is pretty cool. It's got some pretty cool decals and everything. Bunch of different sponsors. Check this out, guys. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. So this is a 1968 Chevy Nova. This one's pretty cool. Let's set this down for a little bit. And here's the car that nobody likes. The Studebakers. And here we have some Jada Toys miniature cars. You have the Transformers and the G.I. Joe back here. We have this 2017 Ram ProMaster representing the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Police. Here we have this cool 1989 Chevrolet S10 and the 1972 Chevrolet C10. And here we have some custom wheels for all you Bronco fans and Corvette fans. And let's see what we have over here. We have some gas pumps. Check this out, guys. This is 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee. This one's pretty cool. This is a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi, and it's rocking the cool Demon decal there. Very, very nice. So here we have the Ford Mustang Gasser. Never seen one of these before. Pretty cool. And here's another Daytona. Another Mustang Gasser. Alright, guys, let's see what else they have. They have this cool 1972 Vega Panel Express. They have this cool 1969 Shelby GT 350. And another Nomad over there. Here we have some campers. And here we have some custom tires for all your Mustang fans. And here we have some Armor All accessories. And let's see what we have down here. This one we've seen many times, the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 dually service spec truck. This is really nice. Check this one out, guys. This one's really cool. This is a 1970 Chevrolet C30 dually wrecker with the Texaco decal. It's pretty cool. Very, very nice. And this one I picked up a while ago. The 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. This one's really cool. And check this one out. This is Angelo Vespi's 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Very cool. There's another one there. And here we have the 2017 Ford F-150. And here is the 1990 Chevrolet S10. And here we have some military vehicles. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna hit another store. I'll catch you guys in a bit. So I'm here at a Walmart, aka local disappointment. As you can see, they have nothing. Let's see, let's move along. Looks like they got some of these Matchbox, but I already have most of these, so I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah, I have most of these, so let's move along. They have these peg warmers here. They have these working rigs. They have these fighter jets over here. Mustang Hunter might like them. He's in the Air Force. And here they have these cool NASCAR. They have these Adventure Force bikes, Tech Deck, some Monster Jam trucks, Hot Wheels monster trucks. This one's new. This is the Venomized Hulk monster truck. And here's a snake bite. Ooh, nice. This is a new Bigfoot. Definitely gonna pick this one up. Let's see. Looks like it's pretty much all the same over there. Here they have some 2-packs, man. I wish they would release this one in a single pack. I really like this truck. I'm not gonna pay $8, you know, just to get this truck. So guys, if you guys see it in a single pack like this, please hit me up. I'll be glad to take it off your hands. And over here they have some Hot Wheels Mario Kart, Batman, I'm in your face, Fast and Furious, Just Trucks, and they have these hyper haulers. Of course, the Ford F-150 and the Sunny are not going to be here. Looks like they got some M2 machines. This is the 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. Unfortunately, it's not the Super Chase. As you can see, it's limited to 9,600 pieces. So let's see what else they got. They have this cool 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser with a Mr. Pip theme. Nice. And here's another Barracuda. Let's see, what do we have over here? This is a cool 1970 Dodge A100 panel van with the tap decals. Not bad. Let's see what else we have down here. Ooh, this one's very cool. I'm definitely gonna take this one, man. This is the 1953 Chevrolet 3100 truck. And as you can see, you can customize the wheels. Nice. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here's another nice one. Check this out. This is a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Nice. As you can see, you could also customize the wheels and all kinds of stuff. Very nice. I'm definitely going to take this one. And here's another Dodge A100. And it looks like that's pretty much it. They have these guys right here. Alright guys, so check this one out. This is the Dean Winchester in the 1967 Chevy Impala SS Sport Sedan. Let me give you a closer look here. It's not a bad casting, but it's too large. This is very cool. This is the Willie E. Coyote in the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Nice. And check this out, man. This is Han and his 1995 Mazda RX-7 wide body. This one's really cool, man. I wouldn't mind the 133 scale, but this one is way too big, man. So I'm gonna pass on it. Looks like they have a couple more over there. Yeah, same ones. And over here, we have this cool 1965 Shelby Cobra 427. Check this out, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. Okay, and here we have some more Fast and Furious, as I already showed you before. Looks like they're all pretty much the same. Yeah, I don't care for any of these. I don't like the wheels on this one. The car itself is cool, but the wheels I don't like. So I'm gonna pass. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.